Which of the following is true of the electron C model? The correct answer is C, because the electron C model proposes that metal atoms release their valence electrons, which are then free to move throughout the entire solid. Which best describes why atoms try to form an arrangement of 8 valence electrons in their outer energy level? Of course, the answer is D. Based on the octet rule, noble gases are stable because they have a full valence electrons. Which of the following is true? Of course, the answer is D. Positive charges are cations and negative charges are anions. Which metals are the most reactive? The correct answer is B, metals in group 1 and 2, because they have 1 and 2 valence electrons and they can achieve stable octet most easily by losing these few electrons. Which of the following is not an ionic compound? Of course, water, because it's a covalent compound. Identify the binary ionic compound. The correct answer is C, NaCl. And a binary ionic compound is composed of ions from 2 different elements, one metal and one non-metal. What term best describes the structure formed by the strong attractions among the positive ions and the negative ions in an ionic compound? The answer is D, crystal lattice. Because ions in a solid ionic compounds are not paired into molecules, but are arranged in a very organized repeating three-dimensional pattern called a crystal lattice. Which of the following is true of ionic crystals? Of course, the answer is A, because the strong electrostatic forces holding the lattice together require a lot of energy to overcome, and this is why ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. Which of the following is not a property of a metal? The answer is D, because metals are characterized by high melting and boiling points due to their strong metallic bonds.